I've been wanting to do this for a while now and felt like today was that day. We're going to be customizing a pair of Air Force 1s with these UV reactive crystals. I'm pretty sure there's a ton of videos just like this, but I just wanted to show you guys my process from beginning to end through a beginner's perspective, as this is literally my first time ever doing something like this. And if I can do it, so can you. You're also going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to be showing you what these sneakers look like in the dark. Now let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need is obviously a fresh pair of Air Force 1s. For this project, I decided to go with a triple black pair because you already know about that black Air Force 1 energy. You're also going to need a bag of rhinestone crystals, E6000 glue, a wax pencil, cotton pads, and acetone. By the way, I'll have all the items listed in the description if you want to purchase them and try them on your own. So now that we have everything we need, let's start cooking. Pop open the acetone bottle and pour some of it onto the cotton pad. You want to pour enough acetone to where the cotton pad is moist but not wet. What we're going to do is prep the surface by removing the smooth factory coating on the shoes to make it easier to apply our crystals. Take the cotton pad and begin wiping down the areas that you plan on applying the crystals. Since I'm only crystallizing the swooshes, that's where I'll be applying the acetone. Start with one side and then work your way to the other. Make sure you're taking your time with this step to get the best results. Now I don't know about you, but I tend to make a lot more mistakes when I try to rush through things. So just slow your roll, turn on some good music, and enjoy the process. Once you're done wiping down the area with acetone, run your finger through a couple times to make sure you got rid of the factory coating. There might be a few areas where some of the cotton gets left behind from the wipe down. All I'm doing here is taking some tape and removing all the cotton lint. Now let's move on to the fun part, which is blinging out your sneakers with these crystals. Cut open the packaging and dump some of the crystals out onto your work area. Next, you're going to grab that E6000 adhesive and put on the applicator tip. Squeeze some of the glue out from the tip and begin applying it to the areas you want to add your crystals. Start with small sections and work your way up to larger areas once you get comfortable with it. Take the cap off of your wax pencil and using the tip, press down on a crystal to pick it up. Then carefully apply it to the glued area. Press down with firm pressure to ensure that the crystal sticks. All you have to do now is repeat the same steps until you have all the crystals on the swoosh. What I like about this E6000 adhesive is that it's pretty forgiving. It takes a while for the glue to completely dry and cure, so you have enough time to make adjustments to the crystals if you need to reposition them. Remember to take your time with this and trust the process. That's looking really good already. Once you're done with one side, flip the shoe over and work on the other side. What I learned after getting through the first side is that it might be a little easier to start by outlining the outer edge of the swoosh with the crystals first, and then working your way in. We're going to do the exact same thing here and apply the adhesive one small section at a time. I won't be talking much here since I'll be repeating myself again, so just sit back and enjoy the process. We got one shoe done, now let's work on the other one. here's the final result. Super fire. Once you're done with both shoes, I would set them aside for at least 24 hours before wearing them to allow the adhesive to completely cure. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's put them in the dark and hit it with the UV light. Just look at how insane that looks. Now you can easily customize your own sneakers by simply applying rhinestone crystals to them. Again, I'll have all the items used in this video listed in the description if you want to purchase them and try them on your own. As always, if you learned something new today, drop a comment or like down below, and consider subscribing to my channel for more content just like this. And if you want to see more, you can check out these videos here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Design beyond boundaries. Peace.